wonder what DEFCON level we're at today. I'm not seeing any nukes. I wonder what the DEFCON level is today. What's your opinion? Do you think we're at a DEFCON 2? I'm thinking more like a DEFCON 4. Because look, I mean, it's a nice day. Nothing falling out of the sky. No sign of nukes. But you never know, you know. Do you know what that term means? DEFCON? DEFCON is a term that stands for defense condition. Okay, it's the level of readiness that the US military has in regards to nuclear threat. Okay, so this term DEFCON is talking about the threat of nuclear conflict. Okay, so I mean, are we going to get nuked? That's the question. And how likely is it that we are going to get nuked? I mean, what should our state of readiness be right now, today? So the US military uses a scale of 5 to describe the state of readiness that they need to be in case of nuclear threat. Like, what is the likelihood? Okay, so 5 is the lowest, and then it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1 is the highest. So if the country is at DEFCON 1, that's very high. Okay, so that is the highest level, and that means nuclear, that basically means nukes are gonna fall out of the sky any moment. That means you're getting extremely ready for the likelihood of imminent, as an imminent threat of me getting run over by a car, guys. I'm at DEFCON 2. Okay, so if you're at DEFCON 1, that means imminent nuclear threat. If you're at DEFCON 2, that's kind of, well, countries are getting ready, but it's, there's no imminent, like there's no nukes inbound, right? The word nuke means, it's short for a nuclear missile or a bomb, I guess, right? So in the 1960s, there was the Cuban Missile Crisis, right? Where the Soviet Union was setting up nukes in Cuba, and Cuba's really close to the US, right? Just look on a map. From Cuba to some major US cities, it's like maybe 100 kilometers. Okay, so it's really close. And so they were at DEFCON 2 back in the 1960s, okay, during the Cuban Missile Crisis. That's the highest level that the US has ever gotten, to DEFCON 2. They've never gotten to DEFCON 1. Thank goodness. So guys, I'm thinking, like, with all the stuff going on in the world today, we might be at a DEFCON 3. What do you think? What is the likelihood of nuclear weapons being used today? I mean, look around. Would you say it would be fairly likely or fairly unlikely? So if you're at level 5, That's really low, right? So it's probably not gonna happen. Level 2 is getting very, I mean, that's when you got to really start getting ready, right? So guys, you'll hear this term DEFCON if you watch YouTube videos that talk about current events. Okay, people, you know, who are watching the world, looking at the world and evaluating its state of threat. Okay, so I follow a bunch of YouTubers who talk about current events, situations in the world, different conflicts, and they often use the term DEFCON. Okay, so DEFCON is just the acronym, or the abbreviation, or the term that just means the readiness, right? What level are we at? How bad are things right now? So if someone uses the term DEFCON 2, that means, boy, things could get bad, right? DEFCON 1 is, you better be hiding in your bunker. I don't have a bunker, unfortunately. Guys, there's the yellow tree again. Every day I walk past this tree, it never ceases to amaze me. If there's something that is just amazing, you can say it never ceases to amaze me. Cease means to stop. So if you cease eating cake, that means you stop eating cake. Okay, so it never ceases to amaze me. You could say, you know, my wife is so beautiful. She never ceases to amaze, you know, her beauty never ceases to amaze me. All right, or if you're talking about your husband, you could say, my husband is amazing. He never ceases to amaze me. This bush never ceases to amaze me. Guys, every time I walk this path, I walk past that yellow tree over there, and it's just incredible. And then I come to this red bush, and it never ceases to amaze me. It's just red. Like, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? These little berries on here, contrasted with the green over there. I mean, look at that. The berries are actually are they the same? Look at this. This one has berries, and this one has berries, and they look practically the same, except this is like a bright red bush, and this is a bright green bush. That is incredible. I love nature. I love trees and plants, and it's just awesome, guys. Nature never ceases to amaze me. What never ceases to amaze you? Let me know down in the comments. What is one thing that never ceases to amaze you? Oh man, I just love creation, guys. Or evolution. Do you believe in evolution? That all this kind of just came from nowhere? It's just all this beautiful stuff. I don't believe in evolution, guys. I believe in creation. That God created this world, and it is amazing. It's incredible, guys. It never ceases to amaze me. Oh, just about fell off the rock. So guys, what DEFCON level do you think we're at today? Now, this term, it is a US military or a US government term, but other people use it too. Canadian YouTubers or European YouTubers, they use this too. It just means, it refers to the state of alert that we need to be in. So if someone says, okay guys, DEFCON 2, you know, okay, things are about to get real. Okay, things are about to get real. That means you better get ready. Things are about to get serious in the world, okay? So what DEFCON level do you think we're at today? I'd say we're maybe sitting at like a DEFCON 3. I don't know. It looks nice, guys. I'm not seeing any nukes flying out of the sky. I hope there are no nukes today in your country. So let me know your thoughts on this. And as always, I love you so much. Hope you guys are staying safe and happy and healthy as always. And from here in beautiful Canada, I will wish you a fantastic day. Better end the video before that. I think it's a lawnmower. It's trying to start up over there. So guys, have a great day, and as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.